Hey guys, how's it going? Wanted to touch bases with you and talk about some really bad information that I've been seeing out there. Some of the politicians, when they're talking about things that are available to you for your mortgage, have been just outrageously irresponsible. They're letting you think that there's already forbearance programs in place and that you can stop making your mortgage payments and things like that. Listen, if you have the ability to make your mortgage payment, you need to keep making your mortgage payment. We may end up getting some forbearance programs in place. So far, most lenders do not have anything like that. And so if for any reason you stop making your mortgage payment, what's going to happen is you're going to hurt your ability to get other mortgages in the future. So I want to make sure that you guys protect yourselves and don't make that mistake. If there are forbearance programs put in place now, what you don't know is you don't know how that may affect your ability to get another mortgage in the future. For example, some of the programs they came up with 10 years or so ago, people thought they could do that and strategically default and just stop making their payments, walk away from properties that were underwater. And they thought that they'd be able to get a new home within a couple of years after that. And after people started doing those programs and the short sales and the foreclosures, the rules changed. And it got to as long as 7 years after some of those events before you were able to do another standard A-paper purchase or refinance. So the rules are changing all the time. You can't depend on just something you see on the news, some talking head in a press conference saying that you have these forbearance possibilities. Some of the programs that have existed in the past, if you get a 3 or a 4 month forbearance, when that's up, you owe the entire payment amount immediately. Other things that can become problems is they're not necessarily tacking that on at the end of your mortgage, guys. Sometimes, as soon as the forbearance period is over, like I said, you have to come up with a lump sum for all the payments that you missed. And what you also don't know is it's highly possible that's going to keep you from getting other financing or hurt your credit in other ways. So what can you do? Make sure you discuss with someone who really knows what they're doing and not just go because you saw some governor say something on TV that you think you can stop making your payment. That's going to cause you a lot of problems, okay? Now, something else, and this is super important, as things get tight, I want you guys to cancel your auto pays on anything that's non-essential so that you determine when money goes in and out of your checking account. My friend Justin McCall, a CPA out of New York, put together a TikTok video about this very thing, telling you to cancel all those auto pays because you don't want an auto pay for your cable bill to make it so that you don't have enough money for food or whatever else you need. And there are things that are not essential that a lot of us set up to auto pay and forget about it. And you know what? You're at home right now, right? You got time on your hands. Audit your bank and credit card statements and see if you have things that you're paying on a recurring basis that you actually don't use. Maybe there's some money you can save there too. Okay, guys? So, again, if you're in a position where you end up having to do some kind of a forbearance, don't do anything. Don't stop making your payments without setting it up properly with your lender. But again, my preference is you need to pay your mortgage if you can. It's just going to be so much better down the road. So hit me up if you have any questions. I'm going to be coming at you with a lot more information. And stay safe, guys. We got some weird times, but we're going to get past this together. Take it easy.